The prevalence of stunting is still at 21.6%. Meanwhile, the target to be achieved is 14%. Until now, the government is still aggressively trying to reduce the stunting rate. We, the people, must of course have a part in contributing to reduce the stunting rate. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Anissa Anggraini from University of Piru Nusantara, ready to represent my university in Pilmapres Region 16, 2024. So, SDGs are Sustainable Development Goals 2030. This is a series of 17 goals set by the United Nations in 2015 to achieve sustainable development throughout the world by 2030. These goals cover various issues. There are 17 pillars, and among them are no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, and the last, partnership for the goals. One of the most important pillars is the second pillar of SDGs 2030, zero hunger. This goal aims to end hunger, achieve food security, improve nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. This includes effort to ensure that everyone has safe, nutritious, and adequate access to food all year round, as well as to increase agricultural productivity and support for small farmers. Concrete steps to achieve this goal include reducing food losses, promoting sustainable agriculture, investing in agricultural infrastructure, and increasing people's access to nutritious foods. As we know, we need to reduce the prevalence of stunting to ensure that our future generation grow healthy and strong. To make this happen, it is necessary to carry out a series of activities and campaigns on social media to increase awareness and access to nutritious food and reduce stunting rate in society. Social media campaigns are not only about voicing and sharing information, social media campaigns are more than that. These campaigns can support opening access and public awareness of the importance of emphasizing the prevalence of stunting. Steps that can be taken include holding a campaign on social media using hashtags to educate the public about the importance of balanced nutrition and how to overcome stunting in children. You can also share healthy and nutritious food recipes through video tutorial and infographics on social media platforms. By providing easy and affordable module ideas, it will encourage parents to provide healthy food to their children. We can also support local farmers by gathering support and promoting for their agricultural products. Through this collaboration, it is hoped that it can increase community access to fresh and quality food ingredients. With collaboration and support for all persons, we can confident that we can achieve the goal of zero hunger and create a better future for future generations. So, let's together contribute to creating a healthy, prosperous, and sustainable society.